Hi, and welcome to Chiquitascrochet once again. Bringing you a Beebeecraft unboxing, unbagging, right? Because it was bagged in bubbles. And I already unwrapped everything just to save you the crinkling sounds and time. I'm going to show you the products that I got today. One was a set of tools. The tools are the leather hole punch, plier, snap tool, and the eyelid tool. That one was $14.03. And I'll show you about this program in a bit. You already read them. Here are the tools. Now, I've been playing with the tools before coming on video. The snap tool, no, the eyelid one is this one. And I was playing with it because I've been wanting one. But this is how it came out. I love it through the front, but through the back, it's like something run it over. So I don't know if that's normal or not, but maybe it's my first time. I did try it on an envelope. Let me see here. I'll show you the corner. There's the envelope and there's the back. It's a tiny bit better than the last time. That was actually my first try. Okay. Now, these are very sturdy. I like it. I tried all of them and moving them back and forth. The only if, ands, and buts about this is this supposed safety to close it. It does close once in a while, but as you can see, it went over the safety little tip that was supposed to stay on. It's supposed to stay right there, and it doesn't. It's probably because it needs to be tightened or something, because I don't know how you can tighten that. But it happens to all of these. So if you buy these, please be careful, because I had it laying here in a table and it was closed. It was this one for 10 minutes, and all of a sudden I heard pus, like it snapped open. So you guys gotta be careful with that. This one is the leather tool, which I was listening to somebody else trying to figure out how to use this. And this one is kind of tough in turning. But it's supposed to turn that way. It's very, very, very tough. You can hear that snap. Okay. Don't mind my fingers. I was cooking and I used turmeric. Turmeric stains yellow. So that one's the leather one. I don't have leather to show you how to punch it. And this also came with the little snaps. The little metal snaps. I did not use this yet. This tool. I only use the eyelet one. So it comes with eyelets and it comes with snaps also. All these three. And they're pretty sturdy. I do like this one's a little looser, but it's good. It's okay. This one's a bit sturdier, and this one is about the same. Now the next thing that I got from Beebeecraft was zippers, coiled zippers. Got to take this one out of the bag. Wow. These are coiled zippers. Look at how beautiful. I'm going to do a tutorial on a project with these zippers. Now, This one is the 10-inch zipper, and it's really, really nice. It's very flexible. I'm just opening them now, so see. Oh, look at the invisible zipper one. I love this pull. Oh, that is smooth. Very smooth. You can barely see the zip. Well, actually, you can't. There's a zipper. This is awesome. I did not see that on the description. I guess I was too excited to get zippers. But they come in 30 colors. 30 different colors, 160 pieces. And these come in a set of $17.99. 10-inch and 16-inch. So that's pretty good price for all these zippers, actually. And let me see all these colors. Ooh, look at mint green. Some fuchsia, some browns, black. Wow, I really love these. Ooh, there's blues, sky blues, whites, grays, purples, greens, pink, lila. That was beautiful. I think they're the same colors in the 16. But even this as a picture on the wall is nice. Here's the 16-inch. This is huge. This is for like a big project bag. That is beautiful. I love it. I'm loving the colors. And they are showing true to color. Really nice. There's the gray again. I have some projects with this. And hopefully soon I can share them. The other thing that is hiding from me is these little open eye pins. They're stainless steel. Can I open this? This is the only thing I didn't open. Because I knew there were. Here you go. And these are kind of heavy. Sturdy than the ones that I'm used to. Here, let me see. This one out. Oh, yeah. Look at how sturdy this is. This is thicker. Way thicker than the ones that I'm used to. They do bend a little, but that should be normal for this. But it is thicker than the one I'm used to. I'm excited. They're gold, the gold and the silver, 160 pieces for $8.49. That's not bad for 160. And both colors, and it has its own compartment. So I'm excited. It's tough to find things like this with their own little plastic individual box. So that is my unboxing. I hope you like, subscribe, share. And the program that I am in is called the Beebeecraft YouTube program. Get free products. Says all you need is 100 or more subscribers. It's better to have more than 100, but this is the bottom line. And make some unboxing videos. Sometimes they do ask for tutorials. You choose what you're gonna order to unbox and share. And the links that I'm gonna share with you is part of this program and the main Beebeecraft store. And to each of these products will be down in the description box. Thank you for watching. Bye.